unpopular opinions which may be controversial, which might make you hate me, which can get me cancelled too. But I actually don't care because I believe that you are free to judge me and I am free to share my opinions. And I believe that opinions changes from person to person and that must come in front. So I have heard a lot of people around me using a lot of statements which I personally don't agree with. And you can hate me all you want for all those statements which I'm going to share, and I'm going to share my point of view. But still, we are going to do it. Okay, so in real life too, I have heard people say that looks doesn't matter, and I completely disagree with that statement. Okay, I don't believe that looks doesn't matter because as humans, first thing which we get attracted to is looks. No matter how much you disagree, call me toxic, red flag, whatsoever you want, but I think looks does matter. For example, like as we girls buy lipsticks, so we will first check that how the shade is, will it look good on us. We are buying clothes, we will see whether that color looks good on us. Everything completely connects to looks only. So how can we say that looks doesn't matter? We are buying something for home decor. Obviously, we are not going to buy something which looks ugly or which doesn't suits our aesthetic. So if someone is saying looks doesn't matter, then they are just trying to be saints. That's it. Okay, now this unpopular opinion is going to be controversial. This can trigger your ego, but I'm still going to say this, that in India, men are not taught to be a man. They are taught not to be a woman. And I said what I said. I'm just going to give one example that when a boy or a man cries, he said that men don't cry. Why are you crying like a woman? That's it. I'm not going to explain why I said this, for what reason I said this, but that's it. I said what I said. Think whatever you want. Okay, so now comes the statement which movies has given us so much hope, made us delusion, which is love at first sight. Like, how are you believing that suddenly a person will look at you and fall in love, guitar will start playing, wind will start blowing? Like, senseless. I don't believe that love at first sight exists. Love at first sight can never happen. There are a lot more words to use like infatuation, attraction, connection, liking, but love at first sight, nope, never going to happen. I will never agree to it because then that will be a contradiction to the first statement which I said that looks doesn't matter. Because if you are falling in love with a person at the first sight, then eventually you're falling for their looks, not for their character. Then, like, that's baseless, right? You are saying that looks doesn't matter, then you're saying that love at first sight exists. Such a fool of you. So if someone is coming and telling you at the first or second meet that, oh my god, I'm so much in love with you, then they are just trying to make you a fool. And if you're getting fooled, then I'm sorry to say this, you are dumb. And love at first sight doesn't exist. Okay, so this statement which I'm going to say is something which I've heard from my friends, so-called friends, in my class or around me. They say that love can change a person. I will change that person with my love. Delusional. That's the only word which I can say. Like, love can never change a person. But in fact, the statement should be a person can change himself or herself for the person they love. They love automatically can't change a person. You can never change a person unless or until that person wants to. Because you don't know that whether that person is actually changing or it is just a facade. So you can never say that love can change a person. No, never. If I am in love, suppose I am in love with a person and I want to change myself for good for that person, that is something different. But I am falling in love and automatically that love changes me is something delusional to think. So I can never believe that love can change a person. But I do believe that a person, if is truly in love with another person, then he can change himself if he wants to. And that change may be good or may be bad. You never know. You can never predict that. Because obviously time changes people. Time always changes people. People change according to the situation. You can never disagree to that. But love automatically changing a person is something which I will never agree to. Okay, so right person, wrong timing. I am confused with this statement actually. So comment down below and try to convince me, no matter whether it's right or wrong. Okay. So I have seen this in movies and somewhere in real life too. And somewhere I thought that, okay, maybe the situation was wrong. Maybe the timing was wrong. That's why that right person went away. But then I think that if that person was truly the rightest person for me, then no matter how wrong the time was, no matter how wrong the situation was, no matter if the world was against me, that right person would have sticked with me. That's what I believe, that no matter how wrong or whatsoever, even if the world is against me, even if my parents are against me, if he was my right person, he would have stick with me. And God has already decided everything from birth till death for us. So how can a right person whom God has decided for us went away? So I am not saying that I completely disagree or I completely agree. I'm just confused. So try to convince me. Money can't buy happiness. If someone even by mistake says this in front of me, then I swear I will ask them to transfer all their money to me. Like, give it all to me, bro. See how much happy I will be. Because if I love something to eat, I have to buy it with money. If I want to wear something which I like, I have to give money for that. How can you say that money can't buy happiness? Yes, money can't buy everything. Money can't buy love. Money cannot buy friendship, relationships. But in this generation, you see everyone, if they have money, they have everything. Everything, every single thing. No matter they're pretending or whatsoever, they have everything. So how can you say that money can't buy happiness? But I believe that money cannot buy everything. Yes, people act that they can buy love, they can buy friendship, because nowadays people be friend with you just because you have money. People sometimes love you, act to love you just because you have money. But no, that's not true. Money can never buy everything, but money can buy happiness. Because food, I love food, it gives me happiness, I can buy it. Then how can I say that money can buy happiness? So I don't agree with this statement actually. Okay, so actually I don't want to make this a very long video, and I still have a few more opinions written down, and I do want to share those opinions. But as I said, I don't want to make this a long video. So if you want, do comment down below your opinions too, so that I see that whether I agree or disagree with your opinions. And do comment on whether you agree or disagree with my opinions too. I will take it as it comes. And that's it for this video. I'll be back with more thoughts, more opinions in more videos, क्योंकि पिक्चर अभी बाकी है ना मेरे दोस्त.